Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download rent comps using Zillow Rentals for real estate deals step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to Zillow Rentals. In the search bar, enter the location where you want to find rental comps. You can specify the area by entering a city, neighborhood, or zip code. Once the page loads, use the filters to narrow down your search. Select the price range that matches your target market. You can also choose specific amenities, number of bedrooms, or property types. Click on the search button to view the listings in your chosen area. Scroll through the results to identify potential rental comps. Click on a listing to view more details about the property. Take note of the rental price, square footage, and number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Return to the search results and repeat this process for other listings. To compare more properties easily, consider opening them in new tabs. Once you have gathered enough comps, create a spreadsheet to organize the data. Label your spreadsheet with headers like address, price, bedrooms, and bathrooms. Input the details of each property you collected from Zillow. After completing your spreadsheet, analyze the data for trends in pricing and features. Use this information to help inform your real estate deals. If needed, take screenshots of the listings for reference. Be sure to save your spreadsheet for easy access in the future. You can now use your rent comps to better negotiate deals or make investment decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.